Well, the test today was about testing the quality of the panel. It gives us installers the confidence to install a good quality system onto a customer's roof. The testing here today is showing us that the solar panel will come up a little bit higher than what Cyclone Tracy was that destroyed Darwin on Christmas Day 1974. This one went to just over 6. Well, 6 kPa would mean that we could put onto a 4 or 5 story building here in Darwin and have confidence in doing that. It's cyclone rated, it's been tested now to Australian standards and to what is required in Darwin, because Darwin has the toughest building regulations in the world, not just in Australia but in the world. So this panel has come up to that. One of the reasons it's a 40mm frame, screwed on the corners, which makes it a lot stronger. Look, it's definitely a positive outcome. Most of the cheaper panels don't come up to anywhere near this. There's one particular panel that in the manufacturer's wisdom have put a screw hole here where this one has failed. So it reached about 2 kPa when the whole thing failed, so it failed right where that screw hole was. Well, after Cyclone Tracy, where people know that the damage that was done here, the area where we're actually standing now was probably one of the worst affected areas from Cyclone Tracy. When you consider that a lot of places that were left was a bathtub and a toilet bowl. So this will withstand that, providing the house stayed together. My expectation was around about what we got, and it's a good quality panel. We'll put it together in a good quality system. At the end of the day, people could pay a little bit extra and they can know that they're going to put something with quality up on their roof. It's built to last, with 25 years manufacturing warranty, and gives you peace of mind. It gives us as an installer confidence to install a good quality solar panel on a customer's roof.